Hey, everybody's got a hobby. Here's what you're listening for. Not that. Hear this one. You ever heard of a tree before? Little tiny owl. Little tiny owl, right here in Indiana, relatively common species. As a matter of fact, it actually has a different call. It also goes like this, simply. Here's your voice. It goes like this. But if you hear the little high-pitched scream up in a tree, it's a screech owl. A full-grown screech owl is that big, a little bitty owl. Hear this one. This is one the old bird books say. They go, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" I'm not making this up. All the bird books say this. But it sounds more like this. That's a barred owl. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? You hear a barred owl, you can hear them right around here. They have stripes like bars, the barred owl. But if you hear this one, 1, 2, 4, 5. That's a great horn. She's better at night. That's a great horn, though. And that's kind of how she does. I can usually get owls to answer me out in the woods. My screech owl call is too low pitched. I can't get as high pitched as a real screech owl is. But I have a friend who is a wildlife rehabilitator. And she has an imprinted screech owl who was raised by people and could not be returned back to the wild. And the screech owl has pair bond with this woman and literally thinks that she is his mate. So he hates me. You know, I go up there to help her trim beaks and put new equipment on birds and things like that. And he's like glaring at me. And I'm not being anthropomorphic. He really is trying to get me to leave the territory. So she left the room to go get another bird that we're working on. And I went up to him and he's like, "I'm going to kill you." And I said, "Oh yeah?" And he's like, "Oh!" He was so flustered. And he immediately did that hoot at me. You know, he was higher, and this is how I learned this. He was higher pitched than me, but he recognized mine as an attempt. So I switched to the other one, you know. And he's like, "Oh!" And he's like going back and forth on the perch trying to get to me. And he switched, but every time I switched, he switched. So I think I've got the right cadence. I'm just too low pitched. I can usually get barred owls to answer me. She thinks I'm her boyfriend, so I got the same option. So she doesn't go up to me, she goes up to everybody else. Huh? Oh, not really. Cool bird. This bird's lived with me for about 17 years, and every time I pick her up, I go, "Man, it's a cool bird." It's a great horned owl. Now, folks, I have to tell you that we call them all birds of prey, but in fact, owls are completely different family than hawks and falcons. Like people. Those guys are all the daytime birds of prey, one big family of birds. Owls are another, not related at all. We call them all birds of prey because they all hunt, and they have some similarities. They have a beak and sharp talons, females are bigger than males, but they're really not related at all. You can sure see why this is called a great horned owl. She looks like she has horns. All these, of course, are not horns. And they're not ears either. They have nothing to scare people. But that is why they're called a great horned owl. These guys are relatively common down right in Indiana. As a matter of fact, they're almost as common as red-tailed hawks. See red-tails all the time, you know, I've never seen great horned owls. So these guys are nocturnal, wonderfully camouflaged, and they're out there. Being a nighttime hunter, she's got a completely different set of adaptations. Here's the back of her head. Huge eyes. Those huge eyes pick up any light that might be available. She can see in the dark about 100 times better than me. Can you imagine that? Darkest, stormy night, can't see hair in front of your face. She can see perfectly well. Think about it like this. I am a much larger species of animal than she is. I outweigh her by hundreds of pounds. And yet her eyes are as big as mine. Kind of a trip. Her eyes are literally that size. If you wanted to see in the dark as well as this bird for our size body, your eyes would be the size of a softball or a great. That'd be a good look with it. Huge eyes to pick up any light that might be available. They've also got